Hi, this is Akash and I am here to make things simple for you. So, let's see the part 2 of symbols and notations, which is about statement and conclusion. Do watch this till the end very carefully in order to get the complete understanding of the concept. Okay, so let's get started. The question we are already given some facts like a plus b, these are actually the notations. Okay, so a plus b means a is neither less than nor equal to b. A minus b is given some meaning, a equal to b is given some meaning, a star b is given some meaning, and a divided by b is giving some meaning. You can read it out here. Then give your answer as 1 if only conclusion 1 follows. We are about to see the conclusions. Okay. Second, if only conclusion 2 follows. Third option, if both conclusion 1 and 2 follow. Fourth option, if neither 1 nor 2 follows. Fifth option, if either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. I know that you are not getting till now, but you will get it. Okay, let's start the question. The question is, statement is given. Statement is A plus B, B into C, C into D. So whatever is given in the statement part, we have to consider that as true. Okay, and whatever interpretations in the symbolic form are given in the questions, we have to apply them. So the statements are given, we have to consider them as true, and then we have to apply the symbolic notations on that. Like in the statement it is given a plus b, and as per the question, what does a plus b means? That a is neither less than nor equal to b. So a is neither less than b or nor equal to b. It is clear that a is greater than b. Okay. Second thing, what is given in the statement? B into C. Okay, so A into B means A is not greater than B. Okay, whenever star comes, it means that both the operands like A into B means A is not greater than B. Okay, so similarly on applying B into C, it comes out that B is either smaller than C or B is equal to C, because B is not greater than C as per the symbolic notations. Next we have C into D. So similarly for it also, C either is smaller than D or C is equal to D. C is definitely not greater than D as given in the symbolic notations. Right. So now we have to consider both the conclusions. Statements are already true. You have to consider them as true. And now we have to check whether the conclusions are true or not based on those statements. So let us consider the first conclusion. The first conclusion is A plus D. So what does A plus D means as per the symbolic notations? So A plus D means that A is greater than D. Okay. But can we say that A is greater than D? Because as per our statements, A is definitely greater than B. But B is having inequalities with C. It can be either equal or smaller than C. Same goes for C. It can be either equal or smaller than D. So A greater than D definitely cannot be set. So it cannot be determined. Right? Let's see the conclusion 2, which is A is equal to C. What does equal to means? That it is not less than C, which means A is either equal to C or greater than C. Can we say that based on the statements? Because in the statements A is greater than B, but B is either smaller than C or equal to C. Right? So can we say with certainty, because B's relation with C is not clear. It is either smaller than or equal to. We cannot say. Okay. So direct relationship between A and C is not established in any manner. So no direct relation, therefore it cannot be determined. So both the conclusions A as well as conclusions B cannot be determined. Okay. And what is that option? That option is option number 4. if neither 1 nor 2 follows. So we cannot follow any of the conclusion. So option 4 is the answer. That's how you solve it. Okay, I hope you understand it. Next we have the statement is P divided by Q, Q minus R, R plus S. So let us see. Let us now interpret these statements as per the question. So A divided by B means A is neither greater than nor equal to B. Okay. So definitely when you apply it, it means P is smaller than Q. Then we have the minus symbol. Minus symbol means A is neither smaller nor greater than B. So it definitely means that Q is equal to R. Because it is neither smaller nor greater, that means it is equal to, right? Then we have the plus symbol, that A is neither less than nor equal to B. Okay, so it definitely means that R is greater than S. So we have applied these to the statements. Whatever is given in the question, we have applied them to the statements. Now let us see the first conclusion. The first conclusion says P is equal to S. So what does equal to means? It means A is not less than B. Right? So it is either greater than, P is greater than S or P is equal to S. Can we say that? P is greater than S or P is equal to S? Because we are being given that P is smaller than Q and Q is smaller than R. But R is greater than S. How do you compare P with S in that case? No direct relation exists. Okay, you cannot compare this. So conclusion 1 cannot be determined. P can be anything with S. We cannot say certainly that P is equal to S exists. Okay. So let us see the conclusion 2, which is P divided by R. So divide by means A is neither greater than nor equal to B. So it means that P is smaller than R. Is it true? From the statement, let us see. P is smaller than Q we have and Q is equal to R we have. So definitely P is smaller than R. From the statements we can say. So P smaller than R is true if you see the statements properly. So definitely option second, that is the conclusion 2 follows. Okay, so only conclusion 2 follows, that is option 2 is correct. So 2 is the answer here. So that's how you interpret the symbols and notations in the form of statements and conclusions. In case you find any confusion, please do comment below. I'll definitely reply. Okay, and please do join our Telegram channel in order to discuss more of your doubts. Okay, so link for which is given right there below. It's a new Telegram channel. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and please do hit the like button because it takes some effort in making these for you. And please do not forget to subscribe the channel, and happy learning.